Hello everyone, so tonight I'm staying at the 25 hours Hotel Dusseldorf Das Tour. I've been given room 1504 on the 15th floor. So here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have the climate control panel, as well as the master power switch for the room. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, a couple of mirrors, a black sink, and towels below together with the rubbish bin. Shower area, and behind the black door, is a black toilet that matches the black sink. Right in there you have a mirror. Hello. Storage areas with hooks above, and you can hang your clothes and whatnot right there with the hangers. The hotel provides you with a bag to use during your stay, and a light with what I would like to call the Lego board with all the Lego pieces down there. More storage together with a plug and a flat screen Samsung TV. Desk area with a chair, plugs and USB ports, a light, a classic telephone. Right here we have the fridge. Sofa area with a table at the end, and that is a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker thing. Message board with random messages. And that's the bed, which does look quite comfortable. There are no bedside tables, but within the area that I'm pointing at is a storage bin, storage area, whatever you want to call it. But you have lights just above the bed. And right next to the bed right there you have your light switches and a plug. Okay, so that is the view out of the window the next morning. It is a very nice view. You can see Dusseldorf in the distance and the area around the hotel below. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1504 at the 25 hours Hotel Dusseldorf Das Tour. Thanks for watching and goodbye.